In today's video, we're diving into the best electrical apps for Android that can help professionals and DIY enthusiasts tackle their electrical projects with ease. If you're ready to supercharge your electrical skills, let's get started. Electrical Calculations. Electrical Calculations is a comprehensive app designed to assist users in performing various electrical calculations quickly and accurately. It features a wide range of calculation tools, including voltage, current, power, resistance, and circuit analysis. Users can easily access essential formulas and units, helping them make informed decisions while working on electrical projects. The app is user-friendly, with a clean interface that allows for quick navigation between different calculation tools. Whether you're a student, technician, or engineer, this app provides valuable insights to streamline your electrical work and enhance your understanding of electrical concepts. Electrical Cost. Electrical Cost is a practical app focused on helping users estimate and manage electrical expenses. It allows users to calculate the cost of electricity usage based on appliance wattage, hours of operation, and energy rates. The app enables users to input specific data for various devices, providing detailed cost breakdowns and helping to identify energy-saving opportunities. Its straightforward interface makes it easy for users to track their electrical expenses and optimize their energy consumption effectively. This app is essential for homeowners, renters, and facility managers who want to monitor and control their electricity bills. Electrician Handbook Wiring. Electrician Handbook Wiring is a valuable educational resource for both novice and experienced electricians. This app offers a wealth of information on electrical theory, wiring practices, and safety guidelines. Users can access detailed diagrams, illustrations, and explanations of various wiring techniques, making it an excellent reference tool for ongoing projects. The app also includes essential electrical calculations and conversions, helping users make quick decisions in the field. With its organized layout and easy-to-navigate sections, this handbook is perfect for anyone looking to expand their electrical knowledge or improve their wiring skills. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of electrical calculations, electrical cost, and electrician handbook wiring helps you find the perfect tools for your electrical needs. Until next time, happy wiring!